So friends, today most welcome this channel Pythonoscope. Write down the question. Write a program to create a post. What? Write a program to create a post. So let's screen watch and you have write down post is equal to input. Enter the post name. Enter the post name. Now next line BP is equal to int, which means int, which means integer. Now next input. Input enter the basic pay. Enter the basic pay. So friends, you are new for this Pythonoscope channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification basic to high level programming language in Python. And watch screen. TA is equal to BP, which is formula. TA is equal to BP into 90 upon 100. And now DA is equal to BP into, which means you can see 95 upon 100. And now HRA is equal to BP into 35 upon 100. And PF is equal to BP into 15 divided by 100. So friends, formula which is 30, which is 35. And now next line, you have for this Pythonoscope new, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And NS, which means all to total is equal to NS is equal to BP plus TA plus DA plus HRA and minus PF. So which is PF is minus. And now print net salary. Salary is equal to comma ns. So start. Start. Enter the post name. Enter the post name, which is manager, bank manager. Bank manager. And now enter the basic pay 5 and net salary here. So friends, enter the post name bank manager, enter the basic pay 5,550 and net salary 16,927. So friends, this is Pythonoscope channel. One like, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. So friends, thanks for watching. Good luck.